This is TECNO SPARK GO 2022, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So to start, you gotta locate and launch the Google Drive app that comes pre-installed with the system unless you have manually uninstalled or deleted it from your storage prior to doing that. That's the most convenient tool that I know, especially considering the fact that usually you will not have to download any external or other third-party apps. So that's the matter of convenience. Anyway, once you have opened the app, tap at this plus icon to your bottom right, then choose the scan option from the list that pops up. Onwards, you gotta grant Drive app with the camera permission. And in here, once the camera interface launches, simply take a photo of whatever document you wanted to scan. Make sure that it occupies the whole viewfinder space, take a steady and well-focused image. If you are satisfied with it, you can proceed. If not, simply retake the photo and do that until you will reach the result that you are satisfied with, obviously. Then you will be forwarded to the interface, which allows you to edit your final document. So in here, I can crop or frame the image and trim off things that I do not want to be in the final file, like that, let's say. You can also rotate it or change its color scheme. And finally, once you're ready to save it, simply hit the save button, wait for a little bit, it takes it way more time than it should, but well, anyway, it worked out in the end. So in here, if you would like to, you can rename your device, change the Google account or Drive folder it will be saved to, if needed, of course, and then hit the save button one last time. Wait for the document to be uploaded to your Google Drive, and the app froze. Well, I guess that's something normal for this phone. Somewhat normal for this phone, so let's be patient. Yeah, I gotta restart the Drive app. So anyway, just wait for a few seconds for the file to be uploaded to your Drive, and then you can find it at the general files section. And well, sure, that's a very, very good timing for you to ask to verify my Google account, dear system and dear Google. But anyway, I should comply. So I'll quickly input my Google account password, then open the file section. And as you can see, here is my scan, and here is the result. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.